Oh, Harry.
Oh, broom's up. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh. Tornadoes and Unspeakables fighting for the quaffle.
Oh. This is 2 of the top teams in the country, guys. This is spicy stuff.
Oh, no bludgers, Unspeakables. Oh, he misses!
Saved. No, he doesn't. He saved it. He did not miss. It would have gone in had it not been saved. Bludgers, Heimer's beating everybody.
And the quaffle is in the hands of Tornado's keeper.
Which is not Fish.
I think Fish got injured.
Yes, I think Fish did get injured. Tom Chamberlain running up. What do we have? Have you got any other food in that bag?
Yes. No. Zach ate the last of my brioche.
How rude of him.
I mean, I offered it to him.
Oh, okay. Still. Alright, Maz on pitch for Tornadoes, running around. And...
Go a bit closer so you can actually hear it.
Okay. Oh. How's this? Is this really, 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 really loud?
It's hard for me to speak into it and see what's going on.
I can see what's going on, it's fine. Tornadoes.
In which case, I shall just add an unfunny quip every few minutes.
Oh, fumbled the catch there. Beat. And off we go. Back to Unspeakables,
driving.
that one.
Oh, Rudy's got it. Yes! Oh!
No, yes.
Yes.
Oh, down,
Passes to 11.
down. Oh.
He drives, he shoots, he misses.
I think that's off the
score
boundary.
Is currently 0-0.
Oh no, it wasn't off the boundary because Unspeakables have possession.
Rudy, a good former Sheffield player there, also one of the fastest I've known. Tornadoes yet again slow balling.
Slow balling is pretty dull and I don't like it.
But it's a smart move when the other team has bludger control.
Yes. Tom Chamberlain.
Tornadoes has a troll, London hasn't noticed.
Timers
fisting there.
I think that's Tom Hutton.
He shoots. Passes.
That's to Maz. Maz running away from
Running
Rudy.
back to the halfway line. Beat out. No bludgers, and they drive.
Number 11 driving.
Passes to 17.
Is that 17?
I think so.
Misses.
Just over 34.
Yes,
Score!
that's in. That's 10-0.
Yes, 10-0 to London.
Well, which London?
Unspeakables.
London Unspeakables. Would it be awful during a Wells of London versus London Unspeakable match, and the ball is to London, London player takes it, London player intercepts, London player beats.
Unpopular opinion, I preferred the old kit with the massive snitch on it.
I mean, again, this is a derby, basically.
Yeah. Right. Who's where? So, Quaffle's still in possession of the Tornadoes keeper.
Tornadoes, in a shocking turn of events, are slow balling.
Oh, Heimer's beat out and down.
Oh, he tries to go for the long beats. He misses.
Oh, that's exciting.
Rudy scores.
20-0 to Unspeakables.
Trade me. Yeah, my headband.
Oh, okay.
Whoever wins this match will face off against Sheffield Squids tomorrow.
Apparently. I haven't looked at the thing.
I'm just going by what I'm told. Do not take this as a 100% fact. And a London chaser looks just like Santa Claus.
Where? Which one?
The one with the Santa hat.
Oh. It's not Christmas.
Well, we got a Christmas Cup 2016, but
oh, okay.
Considering the evidence, it very well might be Christmas. It's certainly not spring.
But it has been snowing. Not today. Last week, it was snowing.
Do you remember last BQC where it was nice and sunny?
Yes, I have fond memories of...
the sun.
There's a doggo over there!
Ah, yes. Doggo just off pitch by the rugby post. Oh.
Susie Harrison says thank you for that important update.
Looked like a tackle from behind.
I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the doggo.
We're complimenting you in the commentary. Complimentary.
Hey,
It's puns, but also grammatically correct.
this is why we have Danny.
To provide the terrible jokes.
Yellow card to Emily Heimers for.
I believe it was a tackle from behind.
We can ask her when she gets here.
But yeah, it bugs me that we got the Dev Cup ones in there as well. Yeah, I have I know. Like, the only good one that I got was this one, because the next one was shot. So I was like, yeah, pretty grand.
And the quaffle is in possession of Rudy for London Unspeakables. Rudy drives. Oh,
There was a beat there.
Ref has not called the beat.
That's not a goal.
No goal. The quaffle is in the hands of Santa Claus. Goes to keeper.
Oh, Emily Heimers tripped another player, and that's why she got carded.
Tut tut. You hate to
Oh,
see it.
and now Unspeakables have scored, and Heimers is back on.
Game time is 5 minutes! Have you guys had a good day?
We lost to Bears, but it was a swing game. Like, they were 30 up when they caught. And honestly, it could have went either way at that point. Like everyone was
This is going to be a very boring game.
Tornado's main strategy seems to be slow balling.
And oh no, that's the other match.
That's not ours.
That's what the time is.
All of London's chasers are just surrounding and swarming the hoops.
It's called a compact.
Warm up. Thea, are you doing it?
Yeah, I'm commentating.
Okay,
What a
we
goal.
need to go and warm up if you're not.
I will be
Oh, they
when
drive.
this game finishes.
Yeah, I'll let Frankie know.
What pitch are we on? Do you know?
Number 11 scores for London
No, I can check the
Unspeakables.
schedule.
Okay. A lot of people doing the duck and roll.
Score is 40-10.
That one?
That one over there.
Oh, okay, right.
The one behind those trees.
Okay, cool. Tornadoes beat a running back to hoops.
Tornado's chasers just passing the ball back and forth.
Yeah, playing piggy in the middle there with that Unspeakables chaser.
We'll see which number scored for Tornadoes.
10 seconds.
Didn't know they scored. I'm doing really well at commentating, guys.
Back to side, back to center. Center holds it, holds it, holds it!
And Tornadoes have control. And there's a brooms down. What is the score? Can somebody show me, please?
It's a 40-10.
It's 40-10 to Unspeakables.
Is that just stationary for the whole game then? Oh, okay.
Otherwise my assistant.
No card, the game continues. London Unspeakable trolls. Tornadoes have not noticed. Passes through. Ooh. Dodges a beat. And Tornadoes have the ball.
I'm not paying attention, I was looking at my phone. Right.
Tornadoes drives.
Claudio's
Finally.
driving.
Oh, no. Changed his mind.
Probably because they have a bludger there.
Yes.
Oh! Unspeakables beat a court. That's a loopy shot into the hands of Fabian.
Clearly, Unspeakables have the upper hand.
Yes.
Unspeakables constantly driving and have great defense compact. Tornadoes seem to be all over the place.
I don't think this is their year.
They came third at Northern, so didn't they?
No, they came fourth.
Fourth.
Because
Yeah,
Edinburgh came third.
beat them.
Ooh.
Ooh, he fumbles. Is he going to shoot? And he scores!
I think that might be Kieran Newton. Maybe? Yes, that's Kieran Newton. Scored. 50-10 to Unspeakables. The time is 8:38.
Actually, I have 4 o'clock. Ow.
10 out of 10.
Oh, did you? Yeah. Nice.
I told you this. What?
It's more exciting hearing it from somebody who's played. Sorry, I love you. I'm sorry, Danny.
This is to remind you all, don't befriend Fiona Stevens. She will break your heart.
That is very true.
But it does mean we've now got to play Unspeakables, probably.
Not if Tornadoes win, which they probably
They're
won't.
not going to win.
It's currently like 50-10.
Yeah, because Fish is injured.
Yeah.
Elliot Fisher is injured and not playing, and that's had clearly a big impact on Tornado's game. Apparently. No, he's quite good.
Yeah.
That seemed to be a tackle from behind.
From Tornadoes or Unspeakables?
Either way, the ref did not call it. I currently cannot see what's happening. There are too many people in the way.
You went to Mackey's?
That's not me.
Oh, okay.
And a Tesco bag. I don't even know where Mackey's is.
Neither do I, it's Oxford.
And not even the good Oxford.
Wow.
And our snitch is Mikey Orange.
Yep, Mikey Orange snitching, off to warm up. The 15-year-old is just made expansion squad for Team UK.
Who was far too harsh during the over 45s game. Just saying, we all wanted the over 45s to get the snitch.
It took 3 Seekers at the same time to take him down in the over 45s game.
Yeah.
It was good.
The Quiddlings caught the snitch, but the refs decided to call it not good because they wanted to.
But also, they over harshly carded a lot of people because they wanted to.
Refs have too much power.
It was a good game. I enjoyed it. I was glad the parents
It was definitely
won.
the biggest
It
audience
gives me
of the
hope
day.
for when I actually get old and not just say that I'm old because I'm 25.
Oh.
Ooh, that was a goal for Unspeakables.
What number was it? It was number 7.
Was it? Okay. That looks like...
Tornadoes have both quaffle and bludger control.
I don't know any of the London players apart from Ashara with the bludger.
I know almost none of these players by name. I am just using their numbers.
Fabian at the hoops. Oh, Fish is on pitch!
Fish is on pitch.
Elliot Fisher is not dead.
This is either going to go extraordinarily well or horrendously awful.
Everybody's shouting behind me in Nottingham and Bangor.
Apparently the Bangor versus Nottingham game is very exciting. Not that we would know. Okay then. I literally cannot see a thing.
You can see it.
Okay,
Werewolves! Please could you move? We can't see. And we're commentating. Yeah, but we're filming and commentating. Alright, okay.
Ben and Caleb. Ben, move this way, move in the way of the camera.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, now I can see. Tornadoes beat Dodgers out the way. Eamon Holmes legging it.
Oh, Patrol's got it. And he scores!
Oh, that is a score. That's a goal for Tornadoes. And that is 60-20.
60-20. Brooms down has been called. Not entirely sure what for.
There seems to be a ref captain huddle. Oh, yellow card for Eamon. Once again, the score is 60-20.
Alright, 42. Tornadoes 42, what do you do?
Oh, Tornadoes for breaking gender rule.
Ooh, goal does not count. The score is still 60-10.
Sam Burkett hopping in there, trying to take a photo.
So,
Go ahead, take the photo. I look pretty today, but not as beautiful as Danny. No, that's cool. I've got James, and I've got me, and I've got sea lions.
Oh, I've got Layla.
Can I
I know, I've got Sarah.
I didn't know Sea Lions had a card. Can I see it?
Yeah, because it's got
When I find it, yes.
What's the time for the game?
Eamon Holmes. I think Holmes.
What? Holmes. We're having now.
And London Unspeakables score yet again. The score is 70-10.
I don't know where I got that from.
Oh,
Eamon Holmes.
Oh.
No, Eamon Holmes.
Isn't he the like a Sky News?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry guys. I'm quite stupid. Right, there's me. This is my trading card from when I was really skinny.
How long ago was that?
Like Northern 2016. Like 2.5 stone ago. Probably. There's Sea Lions. Woo! There's you!
And I'm still wearing the same hat.
Good.
I'm trying to create a brand, clearly.
Yeah. Sea Lions.
Hello.
Somebody.
Sorry.
Sam!
Sam turned into the Quinn very quickly.
Wait, they're on the drive.
What? You look confused.
Oh.
Number 34 still.
London Unspeakable scores yet again. Score is 80-10.
I've never seen Unspeakables at full strength. Jesus Christ.
Did you not? You didn't? Did you play them at Highlander?
Yeah, but they weren't. I don't think they were that.
Yeah.
They weren't that strong.
And you'd lost, you know, a lot of
We
people.
did. Well, we did surprisingly well against London Unspeakables for like the first 5-10 minutes.
Like, I was doing well in me and Eddie were doing okay in beating.
Yes. Right. Bateman and or Geo was on the pitch. I cannot tell the difference between them.
And in a shocking turn of events, Tornadoes is slow balling. Truly, this is a game for the ages.
Tornadoes have the quaffle.
31 can't seem to get anywhere.
Passing to Fish. Fish looking for an opening and not seeing one. Oh, seeing one, passing.
Goes over.
Oh, Fish. You can do better than that, Fish.
Gone over the hard boundary, it seems.
Oh, that's a turnover. Well, that is Bateman, I can see.
Brooms down. So, over under 12 years for Quidditch to get in the Olympics.
Head ref coming over to check the game time. I think one of the teams
Timeout has been
timeout.
called, perhaps?
Timeout
Yes.
requested by Unspeakables because the quaffle is in their zone.
Because they need to rework their strategy because it's clearly not working.
I mean, who needs to win, right?
Yeah. You look like a monk. Right.
30 seconds left of timeout. It's very cold here in Oxford. But the facilities are not that bad. The food was quite nice. Portaloos, bad idea.
I've seen worse.
10 seconds! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Timeout's over. Oh dear.
Perhaps within those 60 seconds, Tornadoes came up with a winning strategy that will blow everyone away. Blow.
Hooray.
I'll be here all week, folks. To your chagrin.
Contrary to popular opinion, Danny is not the pun queen. He is the meme queen.
That is true. I am the Sheffield meme queen, 2 years running.
Was that a long shot?
Alright,
Oh,
Unspeakables. Driving. Oh,
In a misses.
that didn't go in. That bounced off the
Oh,
The keeper
what a
was
harsh
beat.
tackle.
Game time
The-
is 15 minutes!
One of their players down, and they're back up.
rim. No, she's back up.
Fish is with the quaffle.
Walking up. Walking. Kind of up. Diagonally. But not really forward. Oh, now Fish is going forward.
There's a beater on his left.
Nicole heading up. Mutual beat.
Can we get the time again?
That's
the time?
That's
Emily.
Time.
Time.
15:18.
Oh, that was a nice lob.
15:55.
Beat in the face for a Tornadoes player.
15:55.
London player charges.
That
Goal.
went in. That is a goal. That is now 80-10 to Tornadoes. The last goal was cancelled for a foul.
It is 90-10.
James Grattan looks really worried. Maybe he has money riding on this. I don't know.
Or maybe that's just his regular face. He lives in Bristol. He should be worried.
Yeah, he should be worried.
Who is?
The dude in the hat.
It is 16 minutes.
So we've got Seekers. We've got Scottish man Kieran Newton
We have
for
number
Unspeakables.
54 versus number
And
20.
we have Nicole Stone for Tornadoes. And Mikey Orridge is the snitch.
Are they going to bother defensively seeking? Are they that optimistic?
We will see. We will see.
Do you guys have the...
Should be a spare whistle on the table, guys.
I hope it's quick because I have a game to warm up for.
You have no time.
And you really don't want to leave me being the only commentator. That's not going to be good for anyone.
I mean, it's not good for anybody that I am. But here we are.
We're both half bad commentators, which means we're half good.
Yes.
6,
5,
4,
3, 2, 1. Snitch. Snitch on pitch.
Mikey Orridge.
Mikey taking a gentle, leisurely stroll down the pitch. Alright. Oh, Fish has got the quaffle and he's beat. And Unspeakables are driving. They're driving. They're driving. And they've scored. That is now 110 to Unspeakables.
No, 110.
210. The countdown was for the other game behind us, which was Nottingham versus Bangor, with Harry McClenaghan snitching.
Yeah, it's very confusing having two pitchers right next to each other. A lot of commentary from both sides. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seekers on.
And the Seekers are released.
And
guess we'll never know what
we have an Unspeakables beater on the snitch. I mean, they don't really need it, but Mikey Orridge being speedy boy as usual. Unspeakables beater.
Fun fact, he is actually 40% Red Bull.
He is very good.
Indeed.
Mikey Orridge is surprisingly strong.
Of course, he'll never
Unspeakables.
compare to Howard.
Oh yes, another goal to Unspeakables. So that's 110-10. 110-10 at the minute.
Oh God, the Tornadoes aren't faring well.
Nope.
Kieran Newton, if he doesn't punch Mikey Orridge in the bollocks, I'll be surprised.
Well, if he does,
Tornadoes
we'll see Howard
misses.
Orridge go into a rage.
Goes over the hoop. Oh no!
Tornadoes scored.
They recovered.
So that was 110-20 now. Oh,
And now number 30 for London Unspeakables is snitching. Seeking.
Aiden tripping over a beater. For he is a long boy. And Tornadoes are choosing to defensively seek and put a bludger on the snitch.
Optimistic,
and,
aren't they?
no, Emily Hymers is wandering away. Tornadoes have control, and Unspeakables are trying to score. Rudy's back on pitch.
Number 30 very nearly gets a snitch there.
Oh, Fabian's seeking. And we have Jay Holmes shouting at Fabian about
Jay
Mikey.
Holmes behaving obnoxiously. Now I've seen everything.
What did you say? Jay Holmes behaving?
We have
It's just a player injured.
injury behind us.
Fish has the
Fish
quaffle.
has the quaffle and
goes
passes
over.
it over the hoops. Fish, you can do better than that.
Troll passes it back. Fish has it again. It's almost as if that never happened.
Fish.
Goes to Troll.
I don't know who the troll is.
Small fellas. Number 17. The troll is
somebody.
beat.
The troll is beat, and the
Quaffle is in hands of London.
yes,
Unspeakables.
the keeper. So immune.
They're slow balling.
Keeper's beat.
Ooh. Number 12. Oh, that was definitely over the neck. Over the neck, over the shoulder.
Come on, Mikey, put him on his arse.
Ooh. And London
Size
scores
doesn't
yet
matter.
again.
Well, London are now. What's the score, please?
130.
What's the score, please?
130 to 20.
Thank you. 130 to 20. Bateman is on / Geo, but the shirt says Bateman, so I'm guessing Bateman.
Tornado's still defensively seeking. You just have to admire it just a little bit.
You have to admire Nicole Stone's stamina and drive.
Oh, nearly scored, just missed.
That is a catch and a beat. Tornadoes have stopped. That is Beth Thompson turtling the quaffle. Mikey Orange having fun beating Bateman up. And a Brimstone is called.
No sign of slowing down, that orange boy.
It's his youth. It makes him speedy.
Those damn youths. What team does Mikey play for anyway?
Raptors.
Shit.
Yeah. Yeah. He trains with us most weekends. But Mikey's running away, being a snitch. And Fish has got the quaffle. And Unspeakables have control.
Tornadoes beats out their point chaser. Now distracts their beaters. This could be their chance to score. And there is no
Timers
bludger,
is
no
beat.
bludger.
Both
Shoots.
are beat.
He misses. Keeper
Both
saves it.
Beaters are beat for Tornadoes. Fish has the ball.
And oh,
Fish
he
has
beat.
beat, so
Rudy drives.
that's going to go
Nothing's
in
going to stop
because
him.
there's no bludgers, and that's gone in. That is 140 to 20.
It could still be anyone's game though.
The Werewolves and Jay are discussing expansion squad nearby.
Are we just describing things that happens? Okay.
Yes.
Or is there man?
That's
drinking
literally-
a cup of coffee.
Snitch handicap!
First snitch handicap. Mikey Orange is down, sorting himself out.
Don't even think they heard that.
He's been pretty good at being on the centre line anyway.
He doesn't need to. He could start on his.
And it's a goal.
And it was a goal for Tornadoes.
The score is now 140 to 30.
140 to 30. Fish is subbed off. Not on Broom. That's illegal.
Tornadoes has bludge control.
Mikey Orange, first handicap, back at us. Still beating Bateman up.
Still a speeding bullet.
Oh, that was
nearly
close. And Tornadoes are coming in.
Is he going to defensive seat?
Tornadoes are beat out.
Never find out.
Unspeakables have the quaffle. They're going to make a drive into two bludgers. No, they're not.
I mean, they're getting quite cocky. I wouldn't put it past them. Tornadoes still defensive seeking.
And Unspeakable score again. 150 to 30, sorry. 150 to 30.
It is 140 to 30.
That's what I said. Is that? I hope that's what I said.
Come on, Tornadoes. It's no bludgers. Can they score? Nope. Goes over. Is it to a troll?
Too many loopy
It
passes.
is not.
Too many loopy passes.
Ball is in London's hands.
Oh. I need to go warm up.
Well, tell that to Mikey Orange. And the Seeker's just cuddling.
Yes. Ishara
Well, Quidditch does bring
beating
people
out
together.
the Tornado Seeker.
Oh, nearly catches it.
Oh. Ooh.
Instead, he just committed a felony.
Oh, that was another close one. And we are in quaffle. Possession is with Unspeakables.
Nearly again. This Seeker is not letting
And
up.
they also have bludger control.
Oh, is that a catch?
And that's
Nope.
that's another goal for Unspeakables.
It is another goal.
Gasp. Has the impossible happened? Has
Nicole-
Mikey Orridge broken a sweat?
Nicole Stone is having great fun, apparently. Unspeakables has sent Fabian at them. The time is 25 minutes. Tornadoes have the quaffle. Little Nicole Stone holding off Fabian quite successfully.
Oh, he nearly reaches around though. He's a long boy.
Go for the dive on the next one.
Long boy versus fast boy. Who will win?
Quaffles
The ultimate
toss
trial
back
of
to
nature.
Tornadoes. Nottingham have won the game behind me against Bangor, meaning they've come second in their group, because they have SQC in their group.
For Tornado.
Tornadoes have scored. That is 160 to 40.
At this point, that is an exciting event.
Unspeakables just wandering up because they can.
I mean, they've got nothing to lose. Of course, he's walking straight into a bludger, so
Yep.
is he going to pass to Santa? Oh, and the snitch is caught!
The snitch is caught by Fabian.
Looked like a good catch to me.
Can't believe.
I wasn't paying attention, I was looking in my bag for jelly.
It looked like a good catch, but then again, what do I know? I'm just a stranger that walked into the street and they gave me a job.
Yep.
And the catch is good!
What's the final score, please? 190 start to 40.